guys, listen to me carefully. This is a super Friday. So I am teaching the most important topics, daily routine. How to speak your daily routine in your interview panel. Na? So I teach you, after that you prepared most things like your daily routine, your every action in one day, in one night. You can say something easily. Understand? First of all, I speak English. I speak daily routine in English. Then after that, you can speak in English daily routine. Understand? So first of all, my daily routine is I wake up 7 early in the morning. Then I take my brush and clean my whole face. After that, my mom gives me some breakfast. I take breakfast. Then I go to my bathroom and I complete my bathing process. Then my mom again serve me food. I eat food. Then I go to school with my friends with my bicycle. I think on that place I spend 8 bells and completing the studying. I come back to my home and my mom serve me food. I eat food. Then I use 1.5 hours mobile and sometime I play cricket in my uh, inside my house. Then I am prepared to going for coaching. I go to my coaching with my friends with my bicycle. Then I spend 2.5 hours. Then after that I come back to my home. My mom called me bringing the some housing things like that, grains, sugar, etc., etc. I go to market and bringing some things. Then I enjoy, like in summer season I use apple juice. Then I come back to home and then I go to my study room. I study 2.5 hours. Then I uh, my mom again called me dinner with my father and my brother and my sister. Then I go to my dinner room. I take dinner. After that, I go to my bedroom. Then I use uh, sometimes I use singing a song and dancing. That's my all hobbies and listening songs. Completing this process, I go to my bedroom. Then I sleep. That's all about my daily routine. Thank you so much. Huh? So by one, alpha first up male, then female. So alpha male, please come. Shreyans, please come and you can say something in your behavior in your daily routine.
I wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning. After that, take the brush and clean the whole face. After that, my mom give the food. I eat food, and after that, I go to school and study 8 bell. After that, come back to the home, and my mom give the food. I eat food. After that, go to coaching and study 3 bell, and come back to the home. My mom give food. I eat food. I domestic work and completed homework and learning about things. My mom give food, I food, eat, I sleep, me, my daily routine. Thank you.
Oh, so clapping for him. So please Dipesh, please come. जल्दी हम बता दिया ये.
I awake 7 a.m. in the morning. Then I awake 7 a.m. in the morning. Then I bath. Then I bath and clean the whole place. After that, my mom gives me some breakfast and food. I eat food and breakfast. Then I go to school. I study at Bell. After that, I come back to home. Then my mom gives me some food. I eat food. After that, I go to coaching with my friends and my bicycle. I study 3 Bell. Then I come back to home. After that, I do some domestic work and complete my homework. Then my mom gives me some dinner. After that, I go to my bedroom. I sleep. That's my daily routine.
बहुत सिकला में पारी देखो, ये सही बताया है, बहुत सही। आओ साहब जी, आइए आइए आइए, लग जाइए नहीं। हाथ आगे, हैंड हैंड एक्सप्रेस आगे, और थोड़ा हमसे आगे रहो। चलो बोलो।
I awake 7 a.m. early in the morning. After that, I take a breath and wash the whole face. And I bath. My mom gives me breakfast. And then I go to school. Then I study 8 period and come back to home. My mom gives me food. I eat food. Then I go to coaching. Then I study 3 period and come back to home. Then I do some domestic work. Then then I eat some study something. Then my mom gives me dinner. I eat dinner and I sleep. That are my daily routine.
ए शांत रहो, हाँ, थोड़ा तुम रुके रहो। ए दिस गाइज इज, देखो इसका स्पीकिंग सही है, लेकिन जो ये हैंड ऐसे किया है, ऐसे लग रहा है कि अपने ससुर के संग, अपने ससुर के सामने जाके बोल रहा है कि मुझे आपकी लड़की का हाथ चाहिए। इसको क्या करो, इसको एक्सप्रेस करते रहो ना। इसको मतलब कि कुछ ना कुछ ये हमला हमेशा ही, मतलब कि हाथ खाली ना रहे, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ बोलते रहो। ये ऐसे करके बोल रहा है कि ये ससुर जी, आपके लड़की को मैं हाथ चाहता हूँ, मैं शादी करना चाहता हूँ, हमेशा यही किया है। ऐसे नहीं बोलना है। बहुत क्लैपिंग फॉर हिम। हाँ चलो आओ थोड़ा हमसे। हाँ 3 2 1 स्टार्ट।
I awake 6 a.m. early in the morning. After that, I take my brush and washing my face. Then bath. My mom gives me breakfast. I eat breakfast. Then I go to school. I study 8 period. Then I come back to home. My mom gives me food. I eat food. Then go to coaching. I study 3 period. Then then I come back to home. I do some domestic work and complete homework and study. My mom gives me dinner. I eat dinner and I sleep. That's all my daily routines. Thank you so much.
बहुत सही। अरे रुको, रुके रहो थोड़ा, पंचनामा हो जाता है। ये ऐसे करके ऐसे ताक रहा है। आई ईट फूड। हाँ ये क्या होता है जी, अगले जन्म में बाजा बजाने। बाजा बजाने। ऐसे नहीं बोलना है। अच्छा तू एक के हाथ से भी बोल सकते हो, कभी कभी दो हाथ है ना, एक हाथ से आई ईट फूड देन आई गो टू, ऐसे मतलब कि तू समझ कि तू जैसा ही तू बोला ना, तैसे जनता समझ, तो पब्लिक क्या है समझ जाएगी कि इनका कहाँ जा रहे हैं, स्कूल जा रहे हैं। बहुत सही। चलो अच्छा सब लोग तैयार कर ले रहे हो, आइए साहब।